Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how you make Nigerian delicious goat meat stew. Dry delicious goat meat stew, everyone. Don't go away, keep watching and let's dive into it. First, I have my freshly washed Nigerian matured goat meat, everyone. Very mature, you could tell that from the skin. Then I have ingredients to boil the goat meat. Next, I have my fresh chopped onions. To start with, after I place my pot on fire, I transfer the goat meat into the pot, add seasoning to taste, add ginger powder to taste, salt to taste, thyme to taste, curry powder to taste, and then some bay leaf to taste. Then with my fresh pepper paste, then I'll take my turning stick. After adding my freshly chopped onions, I'll take my turning stick and mix to combine. I'll allow this to simmer on a low heat for 10 minutes. Remember, I did not add any water. Doing this allow the ingredients to get into your goat meat properly. Then after 10 minutes, I take a good spoon and flip the other parts of the goat meat. Doing this allow the seasoning to go around your goat meat so that it will be very tasty, everyone. I will also allow this to simmer once again on a low heat for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I will add water, the quantity of water I want to use for my stew. I will add this and allow this to cook again on 20 minutes, but this time on a medium flame. Do this according to your gas cooker. Yeah, so after that it's ready. The next thing I do is to transfer it to my grilling tray, everyone, and allow it to grill for 30 minutes. Then while that is on grilled, on my pot I add my freshly blended tomato paste, and this comprises of red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, little ginger, garlic, fresh tomato. I will allow this to boil very dry, so I do not cover the pot very well, because if you do that, all vapors will go into your tomato paste and it takes a long time to cook. So if you want your tomato paste to cook very well, very dry, you slant the cover. Doing this allows the vapor to go out, exactly what I just showed you on the screen. So after cooking this for 30 minutes, it's dried, as you can see on the screen. Hello all my Jenny subscribers, thanks so much for your wonderful support. So while that is aside, on a clean pot I place it on fire, and when it gets hot I add my freshly chopped onions and stir for a second. After stirring for a second, I add my curry powder and my thyme. Why I do this is to allow all the thyme has a very strong aroma, so adding it first allow that to loosen all the aroma into the vegetable oil. So after stirring for 5 minutes, I transferred my tomato paste and continue to stir. Hello all my dear subscribers, thanks so much for your wonderful support. And if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and share my video to your friends and family. And don't forget to watch the ads. Support this channel by watching all the ads, everyone, and share my video to your friends and families. Alright, so our stew is on fire. After 10 minutes, I open the pot and stir, and please make sure you're stirring this on a medium flame because it's splash and it's very hot, believe me, if this gets to your skin. So to avoid that, make sure your flame is on a medium flame. and stir generously and cover. Continue to stir this until you get that dry stew, everyone. Just like I said earlier, I love dry thick stew, and this goat milk stew is very dry and thick. So to get that, first thing is to boil the tomato paste to dry and then stir to dry. So I will still allow it to fry more. It's still not dry to my taste. Do this if you love to eat dry stew, but believe me, dry goat meat stew is delicious. Nigerian dry delicious goat meat stew, everyone, is super delicious. If you've not tried it before, please give it a try, and don't forget to give me your feedback at the comment section down below. If this is your first time you've watched my video up to this point, please do consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to get notified when new videos are updated, and new videos are updated every week on this channel, everyone. Okay, so I'll continue to stir this until I achieve the consistency that I want for this very stew, everyone. This goat meat stew was very tasty. It's very delicious. Everyone loves it, and I believe you will love it too. So you notice that the tomato paste had changed the consistency. Now it's thicker. At this point, I'm adding up my grilled goat meat. You can see how golden brown it looks. I can't wait. Rice is already on fire for this very stew. So at this point, I'll take my turning stick and mix the goat meat to blend very well with my dry tomato paste on a medium heat, everyone. Hello, don't go away, keep watching and follow with my mistake. Keep watching, don't go away, watch to the end. I always say that, everyone. All right, so our stew is ready. You can see how thick the stew look like, and believe me, super delicious. All right, thanks all my genuine subscribers for your support. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.